Darlings, discover how to find your flawless match with Charlotte's Stay All Day Natural Matte Full Coverage Foundation. Available in 44 flawless shades for everyone, everywhere. It's infused with the skincare benefits of a serum for younger looking skin. Science plus color. Let's find your flawless match in 3 quick and easy steps. First, which overtone will you choose? Each shade is divided into one of 4 shade families: fair, medium, tan, and deep. It's easy to choose. Every overtone has a unique number range assigned to it. For example, if you identify with the medium shade family, your shade will fall between the 5 to 8 range. Next, let's identify your shade undertone. Are you cool, neutral, or warm? If your skin undertone is cool, you have pink, red, or blue undertones. You tend to burn easily in the sun, and the veins on your inner wrist appear blue or purple. If your skin undertone is warm, your skin has yellow, peach, or golden undertones. You tan easily in the sun, and the veins on your inner wrist appear green. If your skin undertone is neutral, you're lucky to have a combination of warm and cool olive undertones. You tan slightly in the sun, and the veins on your inner wrist appear blue and green. Now that we know your skin undertone and overtone, it's time to select your flawless match. If you've identified your skin overtone as tan, you will fall within the shade range 9 to 12.5. Now you can decide which shade range you fall into. Are you on the lighter end of the spectrum, somewhere in the middle, or on the deeper side? Next, you can identify your shade undertone within your shade family. Are you cool, neutral, or warm? Let's say you fall within the light range and that your undertone is warm. Your shade is either 9 warm or 10 warm. Now, darling, choose your flawless match. That's a flawless match. Enjoy, darling, and remember, flawless is a feeling. Darlings, if you need more help finding your flawless match, you can request a free sample, virtually try on your shade on charlottetilbury.com, or speak to one of Charlotte's foundation experts with a 1-to-1 virtual consultation on charlottetilbury.com.